Or 5-4 November, turn left, heading 150, maintain at 2,600.
5-4 November, we're having some problems with primary altitude indicator. We'd like to move it higher climb.
Cessna 5-4 November, say altitude now.
5-4 November, we're at 3,600.
Okay, the assigned altitude was 2,600, but climb and maintain 4,000.
5-4 November, we got our hands full right now.
All right, Roger, some sort of difficulty?
5-4 November, we got a primary attitude indicator that's not reading properly. I'm going to try and fly off a co-pilot.
All right, in that case, just fly the airplane level at any heading you wish, and we'll get you to higher altitude as much as we can do.
5-4 November, appreciate it.
Okay, just go straight ahead from wherever you want to go, and we'll get you some VFR conditions before you go any further.
I appreciate that. 5-4 November.
Number 5-4 November, climb and maintain 7,000.
Up to 7,000, 5-4 November.
Cessna 5-4 November, have any more attitude problems?
The attitude problems are continuing, 5-4 November.
Roger. Okay, November 5-4 November, just stop your turn, go straight ahead. You're doing just fine. November 3-5 November, if you can hear me. November 5-4 November, radar contact lost.